Alright, I sure hope this joker here today. I called, he said he would be here. Look at that caravan still over there. If they don't know what's wrong with it, they need to just let me troubleshoot it. Let me diagnose it. I could find out exactly. And that's one of the old model caravans. Yes, I know everything about the, here go a Chrysler. Looks like a Sebring convertible. If they don't know what's wrong with it, give your boy JT a call. I will let you know exactly what's wrong with that thing. They got a lot of product going on out here, guys. Let's see. Is this yeah, he's here. He's working on a minivan. Wonder what he's doing. Alright guys, y'all hold tight. Let me go out here and see what this dude up to. Look like he got a car in both stalls, which means I may not be able to get in the air. Alright guys, I'm here, man. I told you I was headed out to Brothers Motors. I'm here and look what he got going on. This look like a Cadillac Eldorado, some sort. That's what I saw on the back, on the rear. Looks like he's doing a complete engine. Some of these cars, man, the way the structure is built, you almost have no choice but to drop the engine and the transmission. I think one of the Chrysler older cars, the Pacifica, that's the way we had to drop the whole complete K-frame. Now, we left the engine in, but we dropped the frame. We had to do that in order to remove the transmission. It's not the same setup, but this looked just as difficult. Y'all see all this? I would have had to pass this one up, guys. But, you know, when you're running your thing, you can't afford to really pass up much of anything. So, like I said, as you see, putting the engine in it, there's a new engine right here. This look like a 1, 2, 3, 4 V8, some sort of V8. I'm not sure what Cadillac has been up to lately. This doesn't 4.4. Yeah, this is not. Oh, it's a 4.6 V8 engine, guys. Look at this transmission. The transmission wrap all the way around. Okay, y'all see how long I've been in the bubble? Oh, wow. That looked like you would have to drop the whole frame out to get that out too? Or just the engine? Oh, wow. Oh, really? He got it on jack stands. Oh man, I would have had to pass this one up. Some people are bolder than others. Look at this. This ready to go? Lone block though, right? Okay, guys, we got a complete lone block engine here. So it's pretty much all about transferring parts at this point, the valve covers and things like that. But what are you saying? Another 2 days, Wednesday maybe. It'd be fired. They probably have it fired up. Cause guys, you gotta keep in mind we have day jobs. So we're not here right every day. So you know we got families and things like that. So yeah. So it can get a little hectic right there. Man, what's going on here? PTU? Oh, real diff. Oh, for that Jeep? Man, guys, I talk about this all the time. The Jeep, look like a Cherokee. Guys, when you get ready to purchase a car, if it has accessories on it that you don't use or don't need, you're in Atlanta, there's never any snow or ice. Why do you need an all-wheel drive car? Okay? You already know about the Pentastar 3.6. But, yeah, I just came out, guys, check this thing out. Man, you did the whole 3.6. What was the hell wrong with the whole engine? Could have just did the heads, man. Yeah. Oh, so he blew the engine. That's different. Man, you got a minivan out here? What the hell you doing in a minivan? Tipping. You think the tipping the problem? That ain't this year, man. That ain't this kind of tipping. Fuel pump staying on. That'll do it. Bzz, you can hear it running. Bzz. That's an old ass 4 liter. What's? Oh, it won't start? Huh? Oh, you talking about driving until it happened?
Yeah, I'm talking about I'm gonna drive this car to work, but then when I just turned the key, the shit had the delay in the key, like something wrong with the key.
Oh, you talking about, yeah, the run start. That's the run start setup. Here, my man. Ooh, it's like a Pentastar. Had to have bottom end problems. That's the only reason you replace a complete engine on a Pentastar. But that's it for me, man. Let me get out of here. I've had enough fun for the day. Y'all can see it's getting dark outside. We about to shut this thing down, man. So y'all have a good one. For what?